How to turn off charging sound on iPhone. Here's what you need to know. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down until you find System Haptics, then turn it off. Disabling System Haptics reduces many of the vibration and haptic feedback effects used throughout iOS. Depending on your iPhone model and iOS version, it may also reduce some charging-related feedback. However, it's important to know that Apple does not provide a dedicated setting to completely disable the charging sound on iPhone. On most devices, the charging sound is a built-in system sound and can't be turned off independently through settings. That's all there is to it. While you can't completely disable the charging sound through a dedicated setting, these options can help minimize charging-related sounds and feedback. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides.